Here are some really posh 80s flats near the Shorts tunnels, and it's lifts all the time. Now to the first lift, which is a nice 80s Stannah. These flats are really posh, and now to the next lift, which is another nice 80s Stannah. And now on to the next lift, which is an 80s Stannah, which has been modernised by Stannah. This lift's a piece of crap, and this time when I went it wasn't working. Oh well, that's not much of a loss, it's only a stupid modernised lift. And now today I was trying to get into the shorts tunnels, but every single entrance has been blocked off. I searched for ages and didn't find a single entrance. They're so annoying. These tunnels go on for miles. This was a massive underground factory for the Second World War, and today is totally abandoned. There used to be a way in, but a few years ago some chavs set the tunnels on fire, and since then Medway Council have blocked up its one remaining entrance. So annoying. Anyway, while I was looking around this place, even though I didn't get into the shorts tunnels, I did find another weird tunnel. This tunnel was behind a fence, but I was able to get round this fence, and in this tunnel there was an abandoned 60s Bennie lift. This is really weird. It appears to be the bottom level of the Bennie lift, and above the lift was a whole load of rubble, like the lift shaft had been filled in. Also, this tunnel looked really old. I don't know if this is a really old wartime lift that was modernised by Bennie in the 60s, or whether it was an original 60s Bennie lift. I don't know. It seems that on the hill above this tunnel there must have been an old building or something which has long since been demolished. It's really strange. Click the link to see the video of this abandoned Bennie in the spooky tunnel.